Hey there, I just wanted to quickly introduce you to a new feature that we just released. This is a feature I'm very excited about as a user of the system myself. I think that it can extremely help us with the speed of doing updates throughout our community so that different donors and beneficiaries can get different information much quicker. And so one of the first features you'll notice is that there is this new ability to save posts as templates. And so I encourage you to check this out. You can learn more about templates here, but essentially what templates are pre-configured title and content pieces that you can use throughout your posts by just starting to type them in. So for example, if I wanted to create a template, I can go test template. And then if I wanted to, I can add content. So I could say, hi. And then if I do two curly brackets, basically a bunch of variables are going to pop up. We'll say hi, receiver first name, and then I can continue the content. So hi, this is a photo of and then you could say, sender first name and sender last name. And essentially what this is doing is creating a template that can be used, and these fields actually get filled in with the relevant fields that you specify based off the post as and who can see the post. There's also some organizational fields, but those are kind of limited at this point. But essentially, if I wanted to come in here and say, okay, I want Connor to send the post to his donor. So basically, that will automatically tie in. If they have multiple donors, then you'll have multiple options here and you can select. Then you can go about creating a post as you normally would. And at that point in time, you can add the images that you'd like. Now, images are not going to be part of the template because images will be different, but the templates are now easily usable. If I press save here, maybe I'm going to say I want to make another post. I'll just show you that all you have to do now is start typing in the template, and then you can select that template, and it's going to pull that information in for you, and it's personalizing based off the variables. So that's templates. You can also create templates through the settings. If you go to settings and then templates, and then you can also create templates through individual post pages. So if you went to the manager profile and you wanted to create a post from the manager profile, you can create templates there, or from the donors, you can create templates there as well. Now, the next feature that's really exciting is this actual multiple posts. And so what multiple posts are is kind of a combination of the templates and scalability and efficiency when creating posts. So what you can do here is you can say, I want to create multiple posts, and then you select the amount of posts you want to create. So let's say I wanted to create 10 posts. Maybe to make it quicker, I'll just say I want to create 2 posts right now. You can have up to 500 different posts. And then you can select who you want to have available in the sender list. So basically, I'm just going to make posts for all my students right now. I'm going to add them all to the sender list, and I'm going to use media files, images, PDFs, and so on in the actual post. When I press proceed, it now says upload all the content that you want. So I'm going to upload all the content that I actually want to be able to use in all of the posts. Here I'm just making 2 posts, but if I was making more posts, you could do as much content as you want in here. This could be images, documents, MP4s, videos, you name it. Once I press proceed, it's now going to jump to the next step, which is essentially going to take you through all of those posts, and you can start to make efficient posting. So I can go in here and I can say, okay, well, I'm going to use a template for this one. And I'm going to say this is a test template. It's going to be from Connor McDavid to his donor, or maybe from Halima to her donors. And I'm going to say I actually want to personalize it here. It's going to use the recipient first name and last name and the sender names. And then I can just come down here and select which content I want to have on that post, and then press next. At any time, you can continue this later, and then you'll be able to continue it from the dashboard. It'll be a little notice saying that there's a post that's pending. You can remove files that you've already added to the post so that this condenses as you go. You can search by certain media files, or you can actually do the file first name as well. If you know the file name, you can start to search for it through that as well. Again, maybe I'll come in here, and maybe this time I won't use a template, and I'll just say this is a test post. This is a test post, and then I'm going to say that I want this from Alan to his donor. Once I'm done all of the posts, I can press finish. It's going to bring you to a list of all the posts that if you want to view them all, you can. If you want to edit them, you can. If you don't want to send certain ones, you can. And when you're ready, you can either press upload posts, or you can say delete all the posts if you don't want to use it at all, or you can upload and approve, and then the approval will happen and notifications will go out. So very excited about this feature. Hopefully this is something that you're excited about as well. This should be able to save you a lot of time and just make it a lot more efficient for actually creating posts. Let me know how it goes.